The next cause is the racial discrimination. It is another important cause for the existence of the Indian national movement. Britishers always showed the attitude of the discrimination by showing the race of the Indians. Especially if we seen that during the first years of the British rule, Britishers don't want to give the chance to the Indians to enter into the civil services exam. This is specially provided for the European community only. In this way, by showing the race, they wanted to create the inequality among the Europeans and the Indian people. And after that, the Europeans showed to discrimination among the Indians and Europeans also. This can be seen especially in the case of the Ilbert Bill. You know that this Ilbert Bill is related to one kind that the Indian judges have no chance to face the trial of the Europeans. This is related to the Ilbert Bill controversy because few of the European peoples bitterly criticized the Ilbert Bill and they don't want to come to face the trial of the Indian judges. In this way, they showed the discrimination. Not only that, the Britishers always used to propagate the false theory of white man burden. False theory of white men burden. That means the Britishers always used to say that they are the white people, they are the civilized people, and the other people like Indians are the blacks and they are the uncivilized people. So that these blacks are Indians as they are uncivilized. It is the burden of the white people or British people to make them civilized. In this way, to grab the authority, they have propagated a false theory and used to crush and control the people of India. And the next important one is the formation of the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was started in the year 1885 December. It is considered as one of the landmark incident during the Indian national movement. This Indian National Congress prepared the platform for all types of the people who fought against the Britishers and anti-colonial rules also. In this way, after 1885, Indian National Congress take the lead in the Indian national movement. And the next one is the famines and epidemics. It is the next cause. Generally, whenever famine, scarcity of food materials are there, we may call it as the drought. Whenever drought is continued for few years, that is nothing but calling as the famine. Contagious diseases, whenever spread all over the country, then that is calling as the epidemic. During 18th 19th century, Indian people experienced so many famines and epidemics. But at that time, the government has to support the people, take the rehabilitation activities for the safety of the people. So many people have died because of the starvation. Starvation is nothing but hunger die. But at this moment, moreover, the Britishers collected the taxes from the farmers forcefully. This attitude of the Britishers totally irritated, frustrated the Indian farmers, so they ready to fight against the Britishers, and at last they participated in the Indian national movement. These are the causes of the occurrence of Indian national movement. It is one of the important question for your final examinations. The question is briefly write the causes for the occurrence of the Indian national movement in our country. So please go through once this question and try to understand the causes fully. Thank you.